for most companies, they only need to take care of the basics, meaning that if your packages are outdated, they will usually warn you via NPM warnings when you install them or when you modify them. And then you just want to take care that there are no vulnerabilities. There's NPM audit if you're using NPM as a package management, which can even tell you what packages have known vulnerabilities, right? Yeah, this will be good enough for most companies, just making sure there are no vulnerabilities, keeping your packages reasonably in sync. By the way, if it's too scary for you to upgrade your packages on a regular basis, then that probably means that your testing strategy failed and you're not testing your app correctly enough because you're afraid of breaking something just by bumping a dependency. And even major upgrades in a thoroughly tested app should be no problem. That being said, there's a crucial exception, which is if you are dealing with finances. So for example, if you're building a blockchain app, right, in the crypto sphere, or you are a service provider for finances, just like Stripe or something like that, then you probably want to audit every single line, which changes the complete dynamic, because then you don't want to upgrade your packages frequently. Instead, upgrading a package becomes a pain because someone in your team has to vet every single line of that package and also every single line of the packages that that package depends on, which also means rolling a lot more of your own code. But this is really crucial if you're building an app with super sensitive data or data that, if abused or if breached, can create big damages, big monetary damages. And yeah, crypto and payments is one of those areas. Maybe if you're dealing with certain very sensitive customer data, if you're storing, I don't know, copies of IDs or whatever because you're building a verification service, then you also want to audit every single line of code yourself or have one of your engineers audit every single line of code yourself. But yeah, for most people, just making sure that there are no known vulnerabilities in the packages that you're using is more than enough.